What up guys, welcome back. Hope everyone's having a great day. So if you guys saw in my last video, I went to Roland Sands headquarters to pick up the remaining sector collection they just rolled out. So just to give you guys a little bit more information, their first phase included the risers, which you guys saw me install on my Lowrider ST, the gauge housing for both baggers and softails, and lastly the cam cover. So it was just those three items. I assumed that the second phase was going to just be the derby cover and the gas cap. I did not know that they were going to roll out the mini floorboards. So when I saw it online, I was so excited just because I wanted something to match with everything else, all the other nickel colors I have on the bike. And when I saw these in person, I was super excited. I mean, the machining on this is spectacular. The camera doesn't do it justice. You guys really have to see this in person, especially with the nickel plating as well. It looks beautiful and I'm super happy with it, and I can't wait to install it and for it to match with everything else. So I'm not going to show you guys the install just because I recently put on the Thrasher mini floorboards showing how the install was done. So what's funny is these Thrasher mini floorboards, when I put these on, I thought I was done and that was it, and that I wouldn't have to purchase any more mini floorboards and I was good, until they rolled this out. So now I'm gonna be installing these, and obviously one man does not need 3 mini floorboards. So what I'm going to do is gift these out as well. So the first Thrasher mini floorboards I'm going to be drawing on May 1st, so the winner will be announced shortly. And I'm going to do a second drawing for the Apex mini floorboards. So if you guys are interested, all you guys have to do is subscribe. I will release shortly when the next drawing is for the Apex mini floorboards. And with that being said, let me show you guys the sector collection on my Lowrider ST. Alright guys, so I just went ahead and finished installing everything. Let me show you guys. So these are the mini floorboards, which came out beautiful. I'm so glad that Roland Sands put this clevis piece that connects to the mini floorboard. I'm glad they did it in black, just so the mini floorboard could pop out even more instead of having that raw metal look. So I'm really glad they did that black. I mean, just look at the detail in this. So I didn't remove the cam cover just because I would have to remove the exhaust, and since my HPI pipe is coming soon, I figured I'll just wait until I take off the original existing pipe, then put the cam cover and then reinstall the pipe on. So it makes no sense just to do more work. I could wait until that comes. The gas cap, the 10-inch kickback risers, so again, everything is in nickel, including the gauge housing. Let me give you guys the top view. the other mini floorboard, and the derby cover. I think once the black rotors come in and the Behringer nickel calipers, and I black out the wheels, everything will come together really nicely. Alright guys, so that's the full sector collection. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below. Take care.